Go.
Say, Mom.
Huh? Say, Daddy. How you got this pussy ass horse?
I've been around you to see in a short amount of time that you're a great father. How important is fatherhood to you, man?
I'm not really big on it, to be honest. Do that bitch the worst way 2-3 years from now. I don't give a fuck. It ain't my business. I hate that hoe. Thinking of myself, I be coloring up like this. It might be like this. Then I be having to tell myself, guess what? I been there. You want me to fly from? Oh, hating that. Oh, mad ass. Oh, sad ass. What it is? Yeah, I'm in New Orleans tonight. I ain't far from that wreck, nigga. Cat boy with me. Fuck ass nigga. How you gonna do me something, boy? Cat boy. Huh? Yeah. As back in my head.